With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked to discuss why pesticides are used in very accurate concentration and in very appropriate manner, right? So if we talk about the pesticide, right, so these are basically the chemicals, right? These are basically the chemicals which are used to kill the pest, right? Which are used to kill the pest in the fields, right? In the crop fields, right? So basically we are asked that why there is a need to use them in accurate concentration and in appropriate manner, right? So the reason being that the pesticide, they should be used in an appropriate concentration and an appropriate manner, right, as they could be very harmful to the environment, right? As they could be harmful, very harmful to the environment if they are overused, right? If they are overused. So pesticides, these are basically non-biodegradable. So one reason is that these chemicals, these are basically non-biodegradable, right? And they can be accumulated, right? And they can be accumulated in the trophic level, right? In the trophic levels of the food chain, right? So the environmental impact of the pesticide consists of the effects of pesticides, right, on the non-target species, right? So over 98%, right, over 98% of the sprayed insecticides, right, in sprayed insecticides, and the 95%, over 95% of the herbicides, right, herbicides, they reach a destination other than their target species, right? So that they are basic, so that destination is the water body, right? So they basically go to the water body instead of killing the herbs or the other insects or the pest, right? So they basically reach a destination other than the target species because they are sprayed, or they are spread across entire agricultural field, right? So the runoff, right, so they're basically runoff the runoff can carry pesticides into the aquatic environment, right? The runoff can take the pesticides into the aquatic environment, that is in the water body, right, where and wind can carry them to fields, grazing area, right, grazing area, or the human settlement area and the undeveloped area, where it can potentially affect, right, where it can potentially affect the other species, right, where it can potentially affect the other species. So the other problems, they emerge from the poor production, transport, and storage practices. These are some other problems of the pesticides. So the other problems could be the poor production, right, because of the poor production, right, transport, and their storage, right? That is also a need, that the pesticides, they should be used in very appropriate and accurate manner, right? Their usage has to be accurate and appropriate. So this is the reason why pesticides should be used in very accurate concentration, very appropriate manner, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.